Manufacturing has traditionally focused on incremental improvements, often confined to isolated systems like single-machine dashboards for quality control. Artificial intelligence is transforming the future of manufacturing. We're moving beyond data monitoring to systems where intelligent agents and digital twins collaborate with human operators, transforming entire facilities into intelligent ecosystems. This evolution is driven by the need for unprecedented speed and the ability to rapidly reprogram a factory's logic, cutting down months of manual engineering. The Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA is an end-to-end AI platform for manufacturers, combining NVIDIA-accelerated computing with Dell's scalable infrastructure to power AI workloads and enable faster, more accurate decisions. With digital twins built into the platform, manufacturers can simulate and optimize operations in real time, turning insights into practical actions on the factory floor. Digital twins are the next step in this transformation. They've evolved from passive models into active systems that deliver real-time insights and support autonomous optimization, working alongside human operators where it makes sense. Throughput accelerates as routine optimization is automated, allowing human experts to redirect their efforts toward strategic innovation and long-term growth. Organizations can deploy AI models to digital twins at scale, rolling out new capabilities across distributed operations quickly and consistently. This shift reduces complexity and turns innovation into real business impact. Digital twins are the heart of this transformation, combining intelligent automation with real-time insights to deliver greater agility, efficiency, and resilience. This is the future of manufacturing, powered by data, driven by people, and built to shape what's next. With the Dell AI Factory and digital twins at the core, manufacturers can achieve unprecedented agility and innovation, shaping a smarter, more resilient tomorrow.